Dear viewers, everybody knows that the words are the elements of a sentence. In the modern English grammar, words are divided into two kinds. 1 number structural words or minor words, 2 number non-structural words or major words. Structural words or minor words are also called grammatical words, and non-structural words or major words are also called class words. Difference between structural words and non-structural words. 1 number. Structural words cannot make a sentence, but non-structural words make a sentence. The same structural words can be used more than once in a sentence, but non-structural words cannot be usually repeated in a sentence. Structural words cannot take any prefix or suffix, but non-structural words can take any prefix or suffix. Structural words have no interrelationship, while non-structural words have interrelationship. Examples of structural words: determiners: a and the, this, my, our, yours, his, her, etc. Intensifiers: very, much, too little, rather, etc. Auxiliary verbs: shall, will, can, may, am, is, are, etc. Preposition: in, on, at, to, for, by, etc. Conjunction: and, but, or, for, as, if, though, etc. Examples of non-structural words: nouns: ram, sham, pen, etc. Pronouns: he, she, they, we, etc. Adjective: cool, hot, brave, small, big, etc. Main verbs: go, come, eat, bring, be, have, do, etc. Adverbs: slowly, bravely, fluently, ago, always, here, there, etc.